Hi, one of my favorite things is spinach in the garden. My husband loves spinach, so I tend to plant a lot of it because he just loves it and it's really good for him, good for us, and it's great in salads. It's great for all kinds of cooking, so I love to plant spinach. The great thing is that spinach is a great companion to string beans, either yellow or green string beans, and I will show you why. So I'm actually planting all this spinach right next to the string beans, but what I want to show you is instead of doing rows, I just kind of did a square again, and I'm just going to randomly let the spinach fall where it may, and it grows like a lettuce, so it'll be fine with this. Sometimes you get more out of your space if you don't do rows, because sometimes rows take up a lot of room. So I'm just going to randomly place this spinach in here. But the reason I put it beside my yellow and green string beans is because it really is a good companion to grow beside the beans. The beans provide shade for the spinach for one thing, and the spinach loves that. It loves a little bit of a shady root to it, but also the spinach benefits from the nitrogen in the beans that the beans are putting into the soil, and it makes the spinach grow really nice and lush and green. So I also have basil over here beside the spinach, and what that does is it keeps unwanted pests away from the spinach. So all in all, it's a good thing where we're planting the spinach. So this is going to be great beside string beans and some beautiful fresh basil. So yeah, I love companion planting because you don't have to spray, no pesticides, no fertilizers, no chemicals. The basil will take care of the pests, that keep the pests away from the spinach, and the beans that are next to the spinach will give nitrogen to the spinach. So it's all good. Nature knows exactly what she's doing. You have a great day.